Today we are going to learn another normal type of problems in square lamina. So the procedure it is same, that angle of inclination will be there with respect to the edge surfaces. Okay. Now see, in this problem it is a square lamina of 40 mm side. We have to construct a square of 40 mm side, rest on one of its sides on HP. So in this problem also your first position starts from the HP plane, and we have to construct with respect to the edge or the side. Okay, now the lamina makes 30° with 30° to HP, that is inclination of the lamina, it is 30° to HP, and the side on which it rests, it makes an angle of 45° to VP. So from this question we can understand that you can see both the inclinations were there with respect to the edge or the side. Okay, the lamina makes a 30° to HP means, so it is inclined with respect to the edge, and then same edge which has been inclined to the HP, it is inclining, making inclination to the VP. Okay, so it is a normal type problem. So first we start with the first position, that is construction of square of 40 mm side with respect to one of its sides on HP. Okay, so first we draw an XY line. So we know that our problem starts with the XY line, and we know that from here onwards we have to use only the first quadrant. Okay, XY, VP, HP. So now we have to construct a square of dimension 40 mm. So 40 mm means it is 4 boxes. So now we can show the dimension on one side. So it is 40. So now we can mark the namings: A, topic A, B, C, and D. This is what the topic. So now you have to draw the front view. You know the procedure. So by projecting with the help of projection lines, we get the front view on the XY line. Okay, we get the front view on the XY line. So we are able to see from the front view. Okay, we can see the BC end. So B dash and C dash are visible, but A dash and D dash not visible. Okay, so now we have done with the first position. Now we proceed to the second position. You can see that the lamina makes 30° to HP. Okay, so first I will take a reference point here. So reference point it is B dash and A dash. Now we have to show the inclinations here. So that is a 30° inclination we have to take. Exactly mark it here. So mark for 30° and draw a straight line. Okay. So now we will cutting the arc for this B dash to C dash. Okay, we will be cutting the arc. So this is C dash, D dash. Now we are going to arc this length. Okay, and we can show the angle. The angle here we got it is 30°. Now we have to draw the top view, second position, top view inclined view. So projecting downward. So we can draw. So here you see that projection of A and A dash, it is intersecting here. This is A. Similarly B dash and B intersecting here. This is B. Similarly C and C dash, it is intersecting here C, and similarly D dash and D, it is intersecting here D. So now we will draw the inclined top view. Okay. So now we have to draw the third position, that is inclination to the VP is 45 degree. So first we draw an angle line. Okay. First we draw an angle. First we take a reference point here. Okay. To this reference point, we are going to mark a 45 degree. Then we draw an angle line here. So it is 45 degree. So the resting edge is AB. So we have to copy down this AB. So first I will take a reference point A here. Okay. Now measuring the length of AB. Measuring the length of AB and cutting the arc. This is AB. Now we have to copy this diagram. You just see, follow the procedure A to D. First arc. You see this A to D length, it is exactly equal to B to C. Okay. So after we cut the AD and BC, now the reverse we have to cut from A to C. Okay. A to C first arc. Then similarly from B to D it will be equal to A to C. Okay. It is of same length. So cut the arc. So we get all the points now. This is D and this is C. Now we join it with the scale using straight line. Okay. This is inclined third position. Now we have to draw the final position. So I will be extending the XY line here. Okay. So we are drawing the projection lines. Okay. So now we see this is projection line from this front view. So now you see where these are merging, A and A dash. So merging exactly here. This is A dash. Okay. So similarly we have B and B dash. So these two are merging here. This is B dash. Similarly C and C dash. So it is merging here, C dash. Similarly D and D dash will be merging here, D dash. Okay. Now we have to complete the final position. So this is what our the normal type of problem in the square. Okay. Now finally we are going to mark all these 6 projections. Okay. Okay. So this is what our